Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Aditya Patil. Yesterday we are discussing about what is connectivity in database. Today we are discussing about what is JPA data in Spring and Java. JPA is the Java specification Jakarta Persistence API, and it is the manages relation data in Java application. To access and persist data between Java object means plain old Java object, class and relational database. We can use JPA upon object relational mapping, ORM. It follows the mechanism. It has the machine entity manager API, and it is the responsible for the processing queries and transaction on the Java objects against the database. The main highlight it is the uses in JPQL, Java persistence query language, which is platform independent. JPA mainly covers persistence in terms of the Java persistence API, object relational metadata. Moreover, under the persistence package, API is defined. We cannot say that JPA is a framework, but it defines the concept and it can be implemented by any framework. Advantages of using JPA is first, no need to write a DDL or DML query. Instead, we can map using XML annotations. Second, JPQL is the used and since it is a platform independent, we need no need to depend on any native SQL table. Complex expressions and filtering expressions are all handled via JPQL only. Entity can be partially stored in one database like MySQL, and the rest can be in graph database management system. Next is dynamic generation of queries is possible, and last advantage is the integration with Spring framework is easier with a custom namespace. Units compressed in JPA are available under JavaX persistence package. Persistence, it as static methods of obtain an entity manager factory instance. Entity manager factory is a factory class to entry manager and responsible to managing multiple instances of entity manager. Entity manager, it is the interface that works to the query instance. Entity, they are persistence project and store records in the database. And persistence unit, set of all entity classes. And entry transaction, it has one-on-one relationship with entry manager. Between Hibernate and JPA, it is the specification to mapping relational data in Java application. It is not a framework. Hibernate is the ORM framework, and it has way that persistence is possible. In JPA, no implementation classes are provided. In Hibernate, implementation classes are provided. In JPA, main advantage of using JPL is and it is a platform independent query language. In Hibernate, it is using a SQL Hibernate query language. We are stop here. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Thank you.